All right. United Airlines, outside Silicon Valley contagion. United announcing a forecast, a quarterly loss for the first quarter on weakened demand growth and high fuel costs. Kenny, how bad is it when companies pre-announce news like this? And are you trading any airline names today?
I am not looking at the airlines, but pre-announcements are awesome because that is the company saying things are going to be so bad that we got to give you a little bit of a heads up. And a lot of times that just cushions the blow. So, like Lululemon about 3 months ago, they said that out loud. The stock got slaughtered that day. And then all it did was proceed to make that whole move back because you got a kind of a 3 week heads up before they actually release the earnings to feel out whether or not this pre-announcement is as bad as the company's making it out to be. And usually it's not. So Lululemon was a great example of where you buy that dip on the company kind of giving you that heads up, and stock rebounded 40 or 50 points. Normally, again, it's not a great situation when the company has to scream out loud how badly they're doing. But again, it causes you have to have some excess volatility, and that's what we love.
All right. CJ, what about you? You in and betting on the JETS Jets? He's not on. He's can't hear him. No,
that's me again. I had to call.
Dollar in the jar. Dollar in the jar.
Yeah. No, this is a pick'em sector. You can't go into the Jets. I don't think they've been trying to show some life here. Look at Southwest Air, and they just announced that they're changing their staffing for next winter. I mean, come on, guys, do a little bit better than that. But anyhow, Delta Airlines, I think, is where you want to focus your attention on the Jets right now. They have been just hitting it. They're best in breed right now in the sector. As a whole, I got to worry about it from a consumer discretionary level when I look at the Jets. But pick them. I got to go long Delta, and I got to stay short Southwest Air right now.
Let me ask you a real quick question about this. This is really important. Sorry, I had to step off camera for a second. What is going on with airline fees? Because I told my wife 2 days ago that we could go to Switzerland to see a friend of mine, and then I looked at how expensive it was, and now I have to tell my wife, yeah, we're not going.
Yeah, well, that's called demand. I mean, we've seen everybody lining up to get on a plane. We've seen everybody lining up to get on planes. If you haven't been in like a Delta Sky Club lately, I mean, they are packed, and it's because there are people that are just stacked up at the airport right now. Everybody's still in that get out there mode, Garrett, regardless of the fact that we've seen prices go up on those fares. So it is just the airlines trying to get what they can while they can. I think they know there's a little bit of a yellow light going off up in the corner of the screen that says, yeah, maybe later in the year when it feels like there's more economic pressure, we're going to see people stop flying as much. We're going to see fewer cruises, those type of things. But for now, man, it's just a money grab. So they're going to try to get you when they can, and that is where they get you. When you get online and that first point of contact, buy that ticket.
And well, they got me. They got me.
Don't fly with extra bags because they'll get you there too.